Hey YouTube fam, what's going on guys? Just got a quick little flight video for you here, and just kind of wanted to do an update. I got all kinds of messes going on. I finally got all the parts I need for the moon goat, so I'll be doing that video. I got part of it done already, but I was waiting on the motors. I got these Zing motors, Zing iFlight Cyber Zing 1777 kV. That's going to be a fun build. I can't wait to build that thing. I'll be doing that, working on that here in the next couple days, maybe over the weekend. And I'm still trying to figure out my DJI goggles. They work, but they're giving me a couple of errors. I'm working on that still. Got all kinds of stuff. Got a couple of things I got to do to this one, but it's working again. This is my Stingy 5-inch quad. And I broke an arm on my Stark. I got an arm on the way. All kinds of stuff going on here, guys, and look back here. I wanted to show you guys this real quick, and then we're gonna look at all the broken RCs. Watch this. I'm gonna show you guys all of them. So it starts right there. Broke. And that's the 12S Creighton I was building. Still broke. Can't figure out the ESC on it. Same thing under here, guys. Broke, all broke. I really got to get some more of you guys to sign up for my Patreon. That's the only way I'm going to make it, and that's the only way I'm going to be able to fix any of this stuff. So, hopefully I got some fans out there that want to see me keep making videos, and hopefully I can get a good number of you guys to sign up on Patreon so I can make it. I'd appreciate it greatly. I don't want to ramble on here too much, so let's get on with this video. Here, check out this footage I took at the park or wherever I was the other day, and it's a one-pack rip. So check it out. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.